12 and 13 are a little bit bigger syringes. 12 goes up to 20 milliliters and 13 goes up to 10. Looking at 12, it doesn't really follow any of our rules, so we just kind of have to think about it logically, where this is going to be 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. So each tick mark counts for 1 milliliter. So 7 milliliters, that's going to be the second one past the 5. Question number 13, this one does have 4 tick marks in between whole numbers. So each tick mark has to count for 2/10. So 1.2 is going to be that first mark to the right of 1.